I have some 10-year-old peach, plum, and apricot and nectarine trees. Before the fruit is half grown, it shrivels up into a hard brown piece of garbage. I haven't sprayed them the way I should, but it's hard to believe that they would be so bad just missing the right time to spray. How can I keep my fruit trees from producing hard little brown fruits? And this is from Daniel from Ortewa, Tennessee. Ortewa. You know what that is, Mr. D?
Not a clue.
Mr. Rick, Ortewa, Tennessee.
Close to somewhere that had an Indian village once upon a time.
Yeah, how about that? But yeah, so he has the little hard brown fruit.
Yeah.
You know what that is, don't you?
I do know what it is, and Daniel,
Uh-oh.
believe it. You have to spray peaches, plums, and nectarines in order to
We knew that was
get
coming.
fruit that are free from a disease called brown rot.
Right.
And those little brown mummies that you have are probably the result of brown rot, the brown rot fungus. It's going to happen, you know, and it shouldn't be that hard to believe, really, you know, because it's anyone that has tried it on a home as a homeowner or on a commercial level, they've learned that these cover sprays are critical to control and manage that disease.
And follow the schedule.
That's right. Follow the schedule.
And we have
I'll
one of
go
those
back
schedules.
to the schedule.
Right, go
that
back to
we
the
were just
schedule.
talking
Right, go
about.
back to the schedule.
And it's we need to be. You're late already.
Yeah.
The peach trees are blooming.
Yes, they are.
Captan fungicide is recommended on the UT peach, plum, and cherry home orchard spray guide. Captan is what's recommended during bloom. Do not use insecticides during bloom because we don't want to harm the honeybees, the pollinators.
Right, sure.
After all the petals have fallen, then either Captan or sulfur or chlorothalonil. Those are fungicides that will take care of brown rot, but also throw malathion in there to take care of the plum curculio, which is the worm that will get in that fruit. And then continue that at shuck split, Captan or sulfur or chlorothalonil, not all three of those, one of those three, plus malathion, the insecticide. And then cover sprays after shuck split, Captan or sulfur plus malathion. And just continue doing that every 10 to 14 days.
And if it rains?
If it rains, you didn't spray. It'll erase that spray, you know.
What a lot of work.
You got to want fruit really bad.
It's a lot of work. It's
a lot of work. Wow.
Grow blueberries.
A whole lot easier. All you got to do is fight birds.
Yeah. It's a lot of work, and my hat's off to anyone who's successful doing it. And if you figure out an organic way to control the brown rot or the plum curculio, please let me know.
Hope you enjoyed the video. We would love to get more questions from you. So be sure to leave us some comments.